Halo, jotono phung kaham. Ini belai no nangkong maniti hai live video ma phaikia. Naro jotono siwo Mia. Actually sini Khoroksa bukhukje je sexually harassed molest khaijang mane tuyei YTF rok thangai YTF TWF ti promotha thangai aro TISF thangai kaisa FR lodge khaimani naro jotono siwo Mia. Actually sini Khoroksa bukhukje je sexually harassed molest khaijang mane tuyei YTF rok thangai YTF TWF ti promotha thangai aro TISF thangai kaisa FR lodge khaimani and police no ekdom karak evidence by bangno Sakao khaje o borok Romjkha nangnai hinai belani khobar kamni bisingtei sing saiman ka je sing o borno detain khai tabu arrest khaiman ka haisi o bhaike possibilities bhaike mo man bhaike mo actually sing khaiman abono sing barbar chanani chesta khayu je jefro tiprasarok thancha tonghang kai khaiman ya mung sakri haisi abono moino bobagra barbar request khayu je sing thancha ma tongnai haisi tini just within 24 hours kaya kho o borno sing tabu detain khai sing arrest khaiman ka omo sini joto YTM ni leaders TWM ni leaders ti promote ni leaders TISM ni leaders TISF town committee joto tongnai bor joto sing help kham bisingtei sing tinam hake kaisa success sing evidence sing man khaisi sing tini success detain khaiman ka ang sane haisi abon barbar sane chesta khaisang tumung no tiprasar thancha tongi man kha hangkang kai sing mo hai jinis no sing roi mane kunu kri haisi mo tripra chini boroni bisingo jono kebo am hai injustice feeling ito hangang kai khaiman ya kunu kri haisi abon manyang sau kabangma rajniti thungai tong haisi BJP thing CPM thing Congress thing IPF thing te kabangma tonglai jotona janjan hamjalai but jotona sau dofani kok jotona sau bono khainani hai kok biang khama khatabu o je CPM ni Ganamukti Porishad biang khama kha Congress ni Sudibrai Burman Khoroksa kaisa statement danu khamia jagao ekta statement krei na CPM ni hoite na BJP ni hoite kaisa pan statement krei sob somoyno ki tipramotha YTF TW ni simla ta dag dophanatei tiprasanatei bubakra tipramotha ni simla dag to tai onjani kono dag to krikeda abona barbar sanani ayo haisi tabuk sing jotesto siwo jotesto saimano bubakra bade tai kebo krei tiprasana hamjagi manai tiprasani kongno sanai haisi sing tinamong kaisa proman I was very grateful bubagra ni bisingtei singjema hai kaisa sing kaisa achievement sini bukhukje kaisa rape khaijana thangai tongmani singamno kasui sing tabu aborno arrest khaiman ka 24 hours kaya not even 24 hours mia horni 8 tabu affair khaika just tabu ada gonta sikang bo arrest ka this is the power of Tiprasa and this is the power of omono kaisa Tiprasa ni power haisi kok salai jotono janjani political faida ni bagai tabu abono a photo no tabu BJP rok share khai borok credit nana mujung jagana no problem but khaidi bkhabai haise Ganamukti Porishad Jitendra Chaudhary biang kama tabu where are the Janajati Morchas tai kabama political sa sali haise ang Tripura hastevo joton Tiprasa Siklino bai simi rajniti khale YTF TWF ti pramotha is not only a part of political background and it's not only a part of political party haisi sing try khayo to help our people as socially haisi sing mo kaise big achievement sing Khoroksa bukhuk jemia bo a jagao thangai university thangai je rape khaijan nai tongmano tei police no SP no SDPO no s joto tongnai aro OC no sing direct saka tumung no norok omno detain khaimi arrest khaimani hangkai bus kango choba kotorta mungna bu sungseme communal issues panangna thangai chance tongai same borok sungja saka sungno sorardi sung romai fungnai police bo tabu sungno romai phunu kaise police bo arrest khai phunu ka so this achievement is not only for YTF this achievement is not for Tipramotha this achievement is for Tiprasa community haise Khoroksa bukhukjak rape khaijangnai thangai tongmani abono sengmo thangmani abo tinmia judino o bukhukjak o Tiprajwk bo judino obno step naya ba bo obono kiriwoi bo siring achugui tonghangkai in future bo Tiprajwk ni kapalo abo kalakam seng saimala kamohaisi. But I would really like to thank her. At least bo ekdom confident khaye ekdom karak bai bo obno bo saksa video chagai bini video bo nijin chagai bo obno save khaye tai onyo kabangma Tiprajwk ni life no bo secure khamen bagai. Ang sanani musung haisi sini Tiprasa takhuran busuno. Ang sanani musung if we are united, seng judini united hanggang kai thansang hangkai Tiprasa ni bikmo tungsapan sogmai haisi. O hawa asuk zaroti guarantee rago. Thangla tabuk Tipra hawa Tipra thani Khoroksa Tiprasa no bakhai tingsap dehni bikum tingsap punya jaisi Phunuknai nan sajan salano. That we are the owner of this state. Sing rohani malik. Abu bakhaw bokhor ko chongdi sab samay na. Kabangma khaleyo political this and that. Are politics will party will go will come. Phainai thangnai but dofa tonga nangna haisi. Dofa tongya ke nung sabai party khainai na. Mia aso hur sara Tripura prakalizak not only from Shillong times. Meghalaya, Shillong ni hingtung, ni Nagaland ni hingtung, Mizoram ni hingtung, Assam ni hingtung, boro joto no kol khai sung no tension nang jago Tiprasa tabuk o situation tongmani bagai. But sung bo proof khai phung ka je sung o hani basa sung 24 hour ni bising o boro no sung eras khai tu khlai man ka abo sing bo Phunuknai si. That is the power of Tiprasa sung. Amonor sinan dorkar. We are not here only to gain politics. We are here to save our people. We are here to give the rights to of the people of Tiprasa. Abo te buhur buci nai, Tiprasa te buhur buci nai. Tini buci ya, kena buci ya. Jepru totally kelagi tangcong nai, afur nung buci kun lap kiri haisi. Amba yang sana ni nayo, seng mane Khoroksa bukhuk just mang tong bani relatives ya, but bot Tiprajwk ble, ani community ni borok ble, bona sep khani ani rights tatong. Sin rights tong haise. Aw mai sungnuka Khoroksa Bishwajit Devarma pun tok sui hake lama kazaro buthar jagai tok thar jagai buthar video evidence oi kuno justice mani haise. Same wise Agartala sohor Chudirpur Devarma hanai sungma am hai namani sung abaronoti action karang nawe sungam herone eras khaiman ka. Communal issues sab sunam ba Tiprasa to sunam ya jagawo. Awon pare sungnuka lahari Devarma big bazaro Heres khajagai bosaksak mathikya. Priyankari yang buthar jaka alu sakira ni zomatia. Tiapania park bas kang khorni khortam bai rep khajagai buthar jaka tam justice man ka. Amon khasina ni belai dorkar. Tabu bu khasiya khana bu khasiya te bur khasina ba. Awon banyo sini request obase naro Tipramotana hamjak di bubagrana hamjak di okogi haisi. Sini request obono tongo Tiprasa na jekono difficulty times of sing help khaya nangnai. Abo sini motive abo sini nar mongai se bubagra abo na ise Tiprasa ni khani phanna ni musungo mia joto SP SDPO sodor ningting joto thing everywhere they were really aware of it but Tiprasa omne aware krei baksa tongai FB ha Facebook of high al ulta pulta singani intellectual neta hani saksa gosiwo सरकारनि बेतन चा चावै नगै एसी गारि कावै तंगो हा गारि कतर पाइलै नन्दन नगर जागा पाइलै तंगलो बियान कमा खनर तबो सिंबो जतिस थियो सिबो बम नंग बम हाइ Tiprasa ने बै नंग फाइट खाइ नंग निजि साकासे बहं ने बगै फाइट खाइनो सम जतन जतिस सिवा आइसे बबाग्रा जेकुनो Tiprasa ने बै कक सदि आफरके चाया we know you and we know your house we know your address Tiprasa ronobo Azagaw alanya tatlang di haisi. We fight enough. Sini hanang na bagay sung kebang ma coba khai haisi. Hokang bai coba khai kya, but sung mania ko. Amun banyang zora ma saw haisi. Sung bai ke coba khai nang. What is the reason? Tamun bagay sung coba khai nang abun nung zotis to siwa haisi. Amun banyak tini ora sung kuno YTF ni sung kuno ora achievement na thangya. This achievement is not for YTF. This achievement is not for Tipramota. This achievement is for Tiprasa. Bubagra suno tam teach khai. We know how to fight. we should know how to fight sing bai ka choba khainai sing abo sina nangwai se am manyang sao tirpa hasen joto takhok tai bukhok song no ta kiri de nini live nini nang sak je kono difficulty face no feel kai tong kai you should know how to fight back with them hai se apur sinai o tiprasar kamo singka o tiprasani 184 bongsoni thini buthirok o thina tuita khai hai se abon baina ang sanani nayo sing tabok tinini simi sungjoto nukhana just miya thangai sing fight khama bai tiprasani choba tamo hai se sing je kono somoyo tabu nang tini simiya anytime anywhere je kono hai se at any time UK7 rider Uttarakhand ni phai museum phai biduti saka sab affair khaika again YTF bubagarano batpar hunka sab news onosonan sab affair khaika again YTF tangai YTF ni bagashimda bubagrang si saratirpan bai bubagrang liya da bo saratirpan mara seda millions and millions ni home minister Amit Shah se masawa raja sahab gunung tiprasale tini tam bai bubagrang nang tini gosiman yang nang hai Khoroksa khursu tiprasani bagai no sungtina jago kalagi tongo we are stuck here. I would like to thank to all the teams of YTF, to all the team of TWF, as well as Uttam Tripura Town Convener, Bini Chubamong bai, Sini Joto Chubamong bai, Sing Oborno Sing Eres Khaiman ka hesi. Tai gonta ka sin bising no, sin thane oldi ani thane oldi photo sok pai kya, ang share khayan tongmani actually, sarigo live khainan tongmani. But ojagawo ko ekjona BJP ni jara korya kotorok jara BJP ni tamjani district tam hunabang semia borabo share khai tong dikha ta o borno romiman khane ekjona kre ekjona not a single person from any other political organization was there when we filed an FIR yesterday. Khoroksa political ni kono jaga ni kre hesi na gono mukti parishad bad de CPM no to aiche CPM ni simino o culture tu bujago Tripura rape and murder was created from CPM regime Tripura no rape khayani drugs arnani am CPM ni amal simito bujago amle CPM ro kono din mana Tripura no na ya hesi the duty to save Tripura is not only Tripura Motha YTF TWF it is for entire Tripura hesi Oma sep khane ni bagai abon bane bar bar nongna ang request khai sawo sini bosong sini Tripura bosong no je Tripura ni chobani bagai fight khane ni bagai timo Tripura mo thani simi daikto ya mo joto Tripura ni bag daikto haisi even tini sana kalayo ma sawo jora man khaba Tripura accord tripartite accord je agreement sign khaijak abo suru Tripura mo thani simi daikto ya Abo joto Tripura community Khoroksa speaking people the 19 tribes of Tripura boroni joto ni bagino abo kaham subida khaijag tung Tripura ekodobo when will you all understand nor buhur buji nai tai abo tomono buji hang kai tini mo hai ing tongmani je chikon tongmani tai bong nai haisi mia bo haino it was happen in broad daylight sal kathang Khoroksa bukhungno khaja tangai heres khai moles khai sal kathang emon din bo phayana sal kathang rep khai jongman haisi abon bain mo sudu Tripura Motha YTF TW misimi daikto yamo ambanya ang o credit ang sudu YTF TW na ang credit na musungya this credit goes to all the Tripura community when we stay united we will achieve more. But if we can't stay united, we can't achieve anything. Kono pan achieve khaimang la khaisi. Amanyang sanani musungo stay united for saving our community, for saving our people. Phunuknai tini nuknai je tamong khaisi. Ang thangai tongo tai arogonta ni bisingo sing sini PSO thanai puliso bai kok sanai je oborono tam khaiman haisi meni simi jotono sing tension nanglai jak How can this happen to one of the Tiprajwk girl? Bhakeng man on bhake hai keman. Ang banyang sana na yo. Thansa tongdi tongke bewa on fight back hani ni logi sirung de hai se. Jotona ase kok kesari jotona hambai Tiprasa ay blog